to the drum, 'cause it's the heartbeat of God beating for his people. It's the host of heaven drumming over this land. It's the heartbeat of God beating for his people. It's the host of heaven drumming over this land. Listen to the heartbeat. So listen to the heartbeat. Listen to the drum. Listen to the heartbeat. Listen to the drum. Listen to the heartbeat. Listen to the drum. Ooh, it's the heartbeat of God beating for his people. It's the host of heaven drumming over this land. It's the heartbeat of God drumming for his people. It's the host of heaven drumming over this land. Let's keep our eyes open for the river of fire. Keep our eyes open for the river of fire. Keep your eyes open for the river of fire. It's the river of God running through the nations. It's the river of hope running straight to him. It's the river of life, of purification. It's the river of love. Won't you jump on in? Our ears open for his voice in the wind. Keep your ears open for his voice in the wind. Keep your ears open for the voice in the wind. It's the voice of God speaking for his people. It's the voice of God calling everyone in. It's his victory right coming from the heavens, because all of God's promises are yes and amen. Because all of God's promises are yes and amen. Because all of God's promises are yes and amen. So listen to the heartbeat. Listen to the drum. Listen to the heartbeat. Listen to the drum. Listen to the heartbeat.
I would say go to the table.
Listen to the drum.
And see what they
Listen to the heartbeat.
say. If there's still room, if they know where to talk to,
Listen to the heartbeat.
talk to.
Listen to the drum.